So today I have the pleasure of speaking with Colleen. I've used Colleen for many years, as well as some of my clients, but I'm going to let Colleen introduce herself and say who she is, what she does, and what company that she's with.
Hi, my name is Colleen Culter. I'm a loan officer at Signature Home Loans. We are a local mortgage broker here in Phoenix, Arizona.
All right. Well, thank you, Colleen. So I do have a question because it comes up, especially in today's market. And with the current interest rates being at 7% or higher on 30-year mortgages, could you explain how the 2-1 buy down works and how it can help buyers purchase a home in this current real estate market?
Yeah, I'd love to explain it. So, what the two and buy down is, it's a tool that we can use in this high rate environment to help the home buyer get a lower rate for the first 2 years of the mortgage. And how it works is, let's say market rate today is 7%. We lock you in at 7%, but the first year you'll be at 5%. The second year you'd be at 6%. And then the third year you settle in at the 7% for the remaining term of the loan. And this program really is in anticipation that long-term interest rates will go down, hopefully here in the next 6 months to a year. And then you can refinance that mortgage at any time. There's no prepayment penalties on it.
Okay, sounds good. Is there anything else that you would suggest that maybe buyers could do in this current market?
Well, I do also add to that too, and buy down is that a very important piece to that is that the seller has to agree for the two and buy down. The two and buy down was cost roughly 2.4% of the loan amount. It's collected at closing, put into an escrow account, and then each month the lender pulls from that account to subsidize the loan payment. So, like I said earlier, at any time during the loan rates go down, you can refinance. And let's say you refinance in the next year, if it makes sense, then whatever's left over in that escrow account will be credited to your payoff. So essentially, the seller, if there's anything left in that subsidy account, is helping you pay the closing costs on your refinance. So it's not a bad program to look at.
Okay.
There's some
All
other things that you said, you asked about. Other options would be, if the seller is not going to agree to pay for the two and buy down, is
yes.
maybe ask for a smaller credit that could help you permanently buy down the interest rate.
Okay, so the permanent buy down is an option, is what you're saying.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. And then but as far as the 2-1 buy down, is the buyer able to buy it down, or can the buyer buy down the permanent rate, or is the buyer able to buy down from a 2-1 perspective, or does it have to come from the seller?
So if you're doing the 2-1 buy down program, that has to be paid by the seller, cannot be paid for by the buyer. But if you're just going to buy down the rate permanently, the seller or the buyer can do that, can
Okay.
pay for that.
All right. Well, I appreciate your time today. I know you got a busy schedule, so I appreciate you taking the time to talk with me today and then to put that out there and explain how the 2-1 buy down works.
Of course, anytime. And if any of your customers want me to show them real numbers with real examples, I'd be happy to prepare that for them.
Okay, and definitely, you guys, Colleen's information will be down below. So if you want to contact her about any kind of mortgage questions that you may have, or if you have more questions about the 2-1 buy down, she'd be more than happy to answer those for you. So I appreciate you, Colleen.
Thanks, Marvin.
All right, you have a good day.
You too.
Bye. All right, you guys, if you're on the fence about buying a home, the 2-1 buy down is definitely an option that you can use to help you get a lesser interest rate to help you get into a home in today's market. And if you want more information regarding any type of loans, or if you want more information regarding the 2-1 buy down, please feel free to reach out to Colleen and she'd be happy to assist you. All of her contact information will be down below. And if you're thinking about buying or selling in North Phoenix, Phoenix or the surrounding areas, and you have questions, I have answers, contact me. I'm Marvin, real estate broker at Night Owl Realty, where we're up all night closing the deal.